How do YouTube? Here's a quick demonstration as suggested by my mate Paul, who's a bass player extraordinaire, best top lad in Blackpool. Right, what it is, he's asked me to show the speed of the saws. So I've got the Alox farmer saw and the huntsman. Now, I don't know if you know, the Alox is just a tad longer and a little bit thicker. I don't know if you can actually see that, but it might not show up on here. So I reckoned it'll take 30 seconds or less to get through a broom handle. I hope my mum doesn't mind, but she's sacrificing a broom handle. Okay, that's the Alox farmer. That's nothing like 30 seconds. Here comes the jelly blue huntsman, same thing. Oh, I'm getting a little bit stuck in there actually. Got it at a rum angle. Now, well. Yeah, it's the wood, it's not the blade. It's just dragging a little, there you go. Dragging a little wee bit. But a good cut. Very worthwhile tool. Kind of both the same animal, you know, for a short saw blade. Quite effective. Now the other thing, one other thing, just while we're here, let's talk about the awl reamer. Let's see if we can drill a quick hole with this one. Now you'll notice on this knife, the farmer, it's a different tool slightly. Okay, no sewing eye. It's got a sharp edge blade there and a point, and of course it's mounted on the end. It's more like an ice pick, I guess. This fella, definitely a leather punch with a sharp edge there. Okay, so now then, very effective, straight in. You could begin to drive a screw in there. You can call it a pilot hole. Or now then, this bad boy on the farmer. Even more effective. Good and sharp. Straight to the point. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed that, Paul. Keep watching. Subscribe, please. Leave some likes and comments. I'll be back soon. Ciao for now.